of this considerable addition to its membership. The Assembly has already before it, I think, a number of draft resolutions recommending the admission of new members. The Security Council, in each case, has unanimously recommended positive action to be taken by the General Assembly. I therefore take it that the Assembly may also wish to be given the opportunity to receive each of these new members one by acclamation. Recommending the admission of the Republic of Somalia to the United Nations. If I hear no objection, I propose to declare this resolution carried and the Republic of Somalia duly admitted to membership of the United Nations. The Assembly floor. United Nations. As members of the Assembly will be aware, the situation